made some improvements to the Dan van. Here's one of them. If you remember this sink, I replaced the pump. There was a video. The first pump worked about a year and a month. I figured 20 bucks, I'll just buy a new pump. Well, the second pump lasted about a month, and then it broke. And I wasn't about to spend another 20 bucks on a pump. So for 18 bucks, I bought an electric pump and a push button. Now I can press the button. And I got water when I want it. Water on demand. Ta-da! And it saves me pumping. And I'm still using the old faucet, so I don't have to worry about buying a new faucet. Yep, another addition for the Dan van. I bought a bike rack and hold the bike on. I can lock it with the cable to the bottom of the hitch. It's got these nice steels. It'll wiggle a little, but it's not bad. It does what I need. So actually, if I just get something down in there to tighten that up, it might be better, but for right now it's serving its purpose. I drove with it down here to Steel Creek without any issues or problems. The rear view camera has an angle on it, and it didn't show it hardly moving at all. So it's behind the van, so it's not getting a lot of draft wind. One thing about this bike rack is that I can only open the door this far, which is enough to get in. I mean, it had a peg that came out here and another hook here, but I took them off to give me the door clearance. But another nice feature is that I can pull this pin out and then slide that off so that it looks like that, and then the door opens. So once the bike's removed and I take that off, it's not that bad. And I can do the same thing here to get to that door, but if I get this door open, I can just slide things into that door, so it's not that big of a deal. Well, heading out of here is Steel Creek Park. It's been a lot of fun. It's time to head north. So long, Steel Creek Park. It's been a little over a year whenever I discovered this place. I discovered this place about a year ago. Been here probably 2-3 times, 3 weekends, 2-3 weekends every month. Had a lot of fun here. This is a safe park. Ronnie, the campground host, is a great host. In the winter months, he's brought me some firewood, brought his chainsaw out, cut some wood for me. They've got free water here, and it's secure. At 10 o'clock at night, they lock the gate. Nobody else can get in. And once you're out, if you leave at 11, you aren't getting back till 6 in the morning. It's great. And I got to know the park ranger. Very kind and friendly to me as well. Well, we're going up to Cleburne. Gonna go to Planet Fitness, get a shower, change of clothes, get fresh, and then I gotta run up to Fort Worth because I want to use my REI gift coupon. I'm thinking about buying myself a nice pair of hiking shoes. So thank you, system support from American Airlines. Definitely appreciate it. Well, I getting ready to go into REI. Gonna buy some hiking shoes. It's starting to rain, so I hope when I come out that I won't get soaked. All right, look at that, baby. REI. This is all thanks to System Support, the American Airlines Advantage program. It's got some great hiking shoes. They're waterproof, made by Merrell. Used up that gift card, man. It was great. These waterproof hiking shoes. Size 10 for me. Excellent. Ready to do a bunch of hiking. It's going to be fun. And then the guys in there, they dream about living in a van. So I gave them a card, and then the two cashiers, they told me about it one day they wouldn't mind doing it, so I gave them a card. So it's going to be interesting to see if I get any more followers. But go REI, go System Support for American Airlines Advantage program. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. This is going to help me hike a lot.